G'day and welcome back. We have pulled apart the chassis, had a bit of a look at it. It's back together now. We generally found most of the problems. The problem with a lot of these types of things with the age of the machine is that you could pretty much get anything when you get it. It could be something that's perfectly brand new or someone who's bodged just about everything inside it. Unfortunately, this one was quite a bit of bodging and it took quite a bit of work to get it to the state that we've got it right now. When we looked at this, on the top it looks fine, but on the underneath, I'll just try and turn this over. Okay. On the underneath, there's a lot of black scoring and marking all over the place, and a previous owner of this has had some repairs done to it, which weren't very well. The solder pads were lifted in quite a few spots from someone who was using probably a soldering iron that was too hot, and a combination of that and the PCB's been fatigued from heat for quite a while as well, which wasn't helping.
So I've just finished diagnosing and repairing this chassis. As you can see, some sections were quite bad where a previous repairer has used either the wrong tools or a soldering iron that was far too hot and burnt the traces. So I didn't do this, that was already there, but you've got tracks that are very fragile as a result of a bad repair in the past. I've had to trace a few tracks that were badly damaged. That was already there, but it was working, so we decided to leave it. And there was alligator clips between these resistors, so I just ran a bridge for that as well. But on the top, here previously there was two electrolytic capacitors strung together to simulate a bipolar capacitor, and I've actually replaced it with the appropriate bipolar capacitor, along with various other components have been replaced. Some look quite old, such as these resistors have had a fair bit of stress on them, but they are still measuring within spec, so sometimes it's best not to disturb these things. However, that's now safe and ready to go, so we'll see what happens.